Hey, my name is Ferdinand Anthony, and as you can see, I'm riding a car to go to the museum. And now I've reached the museum and we're about to go into it. Me, Shaif, and my friends. So, we've actually gotten into the museum. Me and Shaif, Radir, are going to go in. Yeah. So, how do we actually know if a species has culture? We usually think of culture as a human thing, right? But it turns out other species like chimpanzees might have it too. From two great videos that I watched, one about early humans and one asking if a chimpanzee actually has culture or not. For humans, the evidence is pretty strong. Our ancestors left behind cave art, tools, even symbolic thinking. These behaviors show shared knowledge, rituals, and knowledge that was passed down from generations to generations. Basically, core elements of culture. But when it comes to chimpanzees, scientists actually came at it from a more structured checklist. One being the behavior has to vary between groups, so different chimpanzees in communities do things differently. Second, it should be socially learned and not something they're born knowing. Third, the behavior needs to be passed down over time and it's not a fluke or a one-time thing. Fourth, it has to be shared within the group and not just an individual thing. And fifth, but not least, it doesn't always have to serve a survival function. Some behavior are ritualistic or symbolic. Now, let's try to move on and let's talk about the Malpak Sri ritual. This is Nani's harvest ceremony held to honor Dwisari, the goddess of rice and fertility. The two main points are angklung and the gubrak. Gubrak is a rice doll, and the angklung is a bamboo musical instrument that you can see right now. This ritual starts at a rice barn, and then eventually the villagers are going to play the angklung and going around the village and going to stop at a sacred place to give offerings and to pray to the goddess. This journey is a symbol. It's meant to bless the land and protect the people and give thanks to Dwisari. So whether we're talking about ancient humans or the tradition of a modern village, culture always comes down to this: shared meaning, collective memory, and doing things together. And that was my take on ethnicity. My name is Ferdinand Anthony, and thank you for listening. Bye!